Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am unboxing for you a haul from a online store called Craft Direct. So they have really good sales as well as some pre-orders on some new things as well. And I wanted to show you some of the things that you can get from them. They have a number of different coupons and discounts that you can put even on top of your orders. If you look on their Facebook group, you can sometimes get a coupon for 10% off additionally that goes over top of everything else. And when you ship for anything that's over $99, they do free shipping as well for customers that are in the US. So here are the really fun, colorful, vintage Christmas paper pads from CARTA. Now, CARTA have a gorgeous line of products, and this was one of their Christmas lines that is really quite cute. And you know me, I do adore a good puffy sticker. So there are some of the things. You get frames and tags. There's different types of ephemera that you can have, frames and tags, or these sort of more image heavy kind of things. Although I find them both a really nice mix. I love ephemera. It's one of my favorite things to use. So you can see what they have here. They have the chipboard phrases and the chipboard accents. Cute little car. So that's a lot of fun. There is the sticker sheet. I love these 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheets because they really go a long way, and they have like all these wonderful parts like these borders, and this little scallop trim is fun, some phrases, so that's really good. In addition to that, so here's some other things just from their store. They had these heritage charms, which are just gorgeous with those little silhouette profiles on there. I love a good Heidi swap thicker type of sticker, and that's really fun. Another thing from the heritage collection are these beautiful butterflies. I love everything Maggie Holmes. I love everything butterfly, sparkly, so these are really, really cute. They also had the snowflake crate paper branches, which is something that I didn't order in my haul. I'll link a video here to my snowflake haul if you want to see that whole collection. But here's something that's new. So here's the Bloom Street from Paige Evans, which is the washi tape that didn't come in my last haul video. But here are some amazing layered frames from Simple Stories, and aren't these gorgeous? Can't you see, like, framing a photo and putting it inside of one of these heart-shaped frames to create like a little mini album? They're just beautiful, and I do love these colors together of the pinks and the blues and the reds. It's a very popular trend right now. Now this is the Simply Vintage My Valentine Simple Stories. This is the 6x8 paper pad. Now this is like just stunning. These thickers with a happy Valentine's Day, the hugs. This is such a beautiful pink, and I absolutely adore the glitter and all of the different sparkles. So the fun thing about ordering from Craft Direct is that you can get a mix of different products from different companies. So you can get the La La Love mixed with the thickers, mixed with the Simple Stories. So it's nice because you can combine sort of your own kits and make a collection of products to go with a project that you have in mind. Here is the fun sticker pad. This is 467 mini sticker tablet, and they have all kinds of gorgeous stickers in that. And one of my favorite things to craft with, which is ephemera. Look at those gorgeous flowers. Like, that's just so much fun. I love these words. Like, just all this stuff is so perfect for layering. It's beautiful phrases. Now you could use this to make any number of things. Like you could use this to make an anniversary album, or you know, a cute little scrapbook of some of your vintage family photos. It doesn't need to specifically be for Valentine's Day, but certainly would be super fun for Valentine's Day. So here are the 12 by 12 sticker sheets. Be Mine, XO, Cross My Heart, A Love Story. And then this one here is the combo cardstock stickers. So this one was the banner borders stickers, and this is the combination of all these fun word stickers, these tickets. I love this one right here. This is really neat. It looks like it's pre-layered. If you were sending flat mail, something like this that looks layered but doesn't have the same dimension and make for an expensive package to ship off to a flat mail friend is really nice. So here's both of these different. So My Valentine, this is the Collector's Essential Kit, which has 159 pieces, and this is the 12 by 12 collection kit, which has 68 pieces. So with this one, you're going to get 8 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock, which include some of these beautiful and my favorite double-sided cut-aparts. And you've got everything from 2 by 2 to all the way up to like a 5 by 7 shape there. You got the 3 by 4s. Fantastic for mini albums, like just great. And they show you like a little example of what you could make with them. And this even comes with a washi and another package of that ephemera there, as well as some of these stickers that you've already seen. And then here they are again, another set of the same. Now this focuses on the paper and the stickers there. And then the background pieces, which is the basics that you need for just doing your backdrops for your pages, and just a really nice subtle sort of washed out polka dot pink and all the other different colors here that match the collection perfectly. So that's those ones there. Yeah, so that is the whole collection. So I will link below Craft Direct, and you can check out and see if there are anything that that catch your eye on their site. But like I said, it's really fun because you can get from Heidi Swap, Maggie Holmes, Crate Paper, Carta Bella, Simple Stories, all in one. And it's nice to be able to have like a one-stop shop to get a number of different collections that you're interested in. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.